Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all viruses on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So if you think that your iPhone device might have any viruses, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your iPhone settings. Then in this interface you need to scroll down and then click on the Safari application. After that, in this interface you need to scroll down and find and click on this blue button, clear history and website data. So it will automatically clear your browser history, so because there might be maybe some viruses in your browser history, so you can actually enable close all tabs if you want, and then you need to click on the red button clear history. And after that your browser history will be automatically deleted. So after that there won't be any viruses in your Safari application. So after that, the second way you need to do is to go to your home page of your settings, then go to the top of your screen, and then you need to click on your Apple ID name. Then you need to click on the iCloud button. Now in this interface you need to scroll down and find and click on the iCloud drive. Then you need to click on Manage Storage. And after that you will see this interface, so you need to click on the delete from iCloud because there are in your documents, in your downloads files, there might be any viruses, so you can actually delete your documents and there won't be any viruses anymore. So you need to click on this red button and then remove from iCloud. Then you remove files and data. After downloading, your downloads will be automatically deleted and there won't be any viruses. So the last way you need to do is to go back to this page, iCloud, and then click on the iCloud backup. So you need to click on backup now to save your SMS, your Wi-Fi, and after that you need to go back to this page. Then scroll down, click on the general option. In this interface you need to scroll down and then click on the transfer or reset iPhone. So and after that you need to click on the last blue button, erase all content and settings. So you need to click on the continue button and then your settings will be replaced by the factory new. So and after that there won't be any viruses left. So and that's all, and that's how to delete all viruses on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.